Hey, what's up? Hello. Welcome back to another unboxing. So today we are unboxing fabfitfun, which is another subscription box, of course, where you can get different types of things, like just things for around your house or things for fitness or getting yourself out there, for walks, for exercising, for a daily fun, just whatever. Now, I've looked online at some of the stuff that they will not only be in this box, but the stuff they offer online, and all of it is also so cute and so fun looking, and I was just like so excited to get this box finally. So, first thing I see is also you can send this to someone, so you can, of course, it's like a postcard for $15 off, which is cute. It's fun to see these in paper because they always just give you the links. Stickers. I like this one. This one is so cute. And they have a magazine, which I did not know of. I'm gonna look through this later. It's a lot in it. Okay, so to the actual stuff, I'm hoping. Oh, and they give you a gift card for HelloFresh.com. And there's a lot of people partnering with HelloFresh lately, because I see this in just about every box I get now. And I'm guessing they're like a rising new company, but I do hope to check these out one day. So, first of my items is, you see it? It's I want to pronounce this right, mini ab ball and a core reformer, which is actually, this is actually pretty good because it's something lightweight and small, so it's easy to store. But these two things alone are very effective in exercising. Like, I've been trying to do some things myself, and this is something that I actually can use. So it's definitely a keeper. These are, hopefully you can see it. Is it upside down? It's upside down. I'm sorry. These are coasters, which is kind of cute. I haven't seen coasters like this before. So let me just open it up real quick just to actually see it. Okay, and you have one of them that looks completely different from the rest. And then like all of these that look about the same. These are cute. And this is hopefully you can see it. It is a dip dye market tote from the camp collection. Okay. I've also never heard of this before, but oh my goodness, this is actually really, really cute. It's actually like a little net tote bag. Trying to give you the full visual. But this is actually like really cute. I can see myself using this at the beach or like a water park. This is definitely needed. Maybe I don't need it, but it's definitely needed now. So I see two of these boxes. This from Milk Makeup. This one is watermelon brightening face mask. And this is the bottle. Oh, so it's like a rub-on face mask. I guess that's better. You know, less mess on your hands and your fingers when putting it on. Because sometimes you can use a spatula and that doesn't work either. Doesn't really smell like anything. But it's a really pretty tone. I'll definitely be posting about this later when I use it. And this is the other one. And it's a watermelon brightening serum. Sorry. Okay. This actually comes with instructions. But it's pink. None of these smell like anything. Oh wow. But these are actually good for me in a box because if any of you know, I don't really use makeup at all. So I could use a face mask and a serum, but as far as like eyeshadow and lipsticks and foundation and blush, I just honestly don't have the time to really learn it. And we have a Enzyme Peel, a skincare product. And oh, it's an exfoliator. These are always needed, like always. There's never a time when you don't need a exfoliator. This is a moisturizing hand scrub. Hopefully you can see it. And which is also very necessary. Like I said, you always need a scrub or a face mask. Like you can't really go wrong with those. This is nail polish. Hopefully you can see it in this light, but it's like a very light pink. Just about skin tone. But it's actually a really pretty color. Okay, and last but not least is a box, which says Cactus Cup. And it's just how, as it says, it's a cactus cup. This is actually really cute. I'll probably end up giving this to one of my nieces because I prefer water bottles that are kind of bigger. Or maybe just when I'm out and I feel like I just needed a small thing to drink out of. But this is like a cute little trinket to get to. Okay. So that's FabFitFun. Please look at my description box because I will be giving you a link for 15% off or $15 off. I forget which one it is. If you would like to purchase one of these boxes, these will I will post about these from my use in my opinion about these later on Instagram. I will also post my tags for Instagram and Facebook also. And stay safe. Please wear a mask. And have a great day.